Hi guys, for today's video tuturuan ko kayo kung paano natin malalaman kung available na ba ang stars natin sa Facebook Reels. Keep on watching. First, click Profile. Second, click 3 dots. Third, click Turn on Professional Mode. Fourth, click Turn on. Fifth, click Back. Then click View Tools. Click Monetization. Ayan guys, available na ang stars. At pwede na rin tayo mag-setup. At ang mga requirements na hindi pa available is bonuses, in-stream ads, subscriptions. Then pwede ka na mag-setup, click Get Started. That's all, thank you and I hope nakakatulong itong video sa inyo.